Welcome, foodies, to another exciting episode of our culinary exploration. Today, we are diving into the world of Brazilian gastronomy to unravel the mysteries behind one of the most beloved snacks in Brazil, coxinha. Join us on this delicious journey as we uncover some unknown facts about coxinha and learn why it holds a special place in the hearts of Brazilians. Coxinha, a beloved Brazilian snack, is made by preparing a seasoned chicken filling cooked with onions and spices. The dough is made from a mixture of flour, chicken broth, butter, and salt, creating a smooth and elastic texture. After rolling out the dough, a spoonful of the chicken filling is placed in the center. The dough is then folded and shaped into a teardrop or drumstick form, resembling a chicken thigh. The coxinhas are dipped in beaten eggs, coated with breadcrumbs, and deep fried until golden and crispy. The result is a delightful combination of crunchy exterior and flavorful, tender filling, making coxinha a true delight for food lovers worldwide. To truly appreciate coxinha, we must travel back in time to explore its fascinating origins. Legend has it that coxinha was invented in Sao Paulo in the late 1800s. The creation of coxinha is often attributed to Princess Isabel, who, inspired by the shape of a chicken thigh, designed this snack. Its name coxinha literally translates to little thigh in Portuguese. Initially, coxinha was made using shredded chicken and cream cheese filling, wrapped in dough, and then shaped like a chicken drumstick. However, over the years, this delightful treat has undergone various modifications and now offers a plethora of creative fillings. Now that we know about its intriguing history, let's dive into the secrets of making the perfect coxinha dough. The traditional coxinha dough requires just a few simple ingredients: flour, chicken broth, butter, and salt. The dough is cooked until it reaches a perfect consistency, creating a smooth and elastic texture. However, innovative chefs have experimented with different variations, incorporating yucca, sweet potatoes, or even using a gluten-free dough to cater to various dietary preferences. While the traditional shredded chicken filling remains a crowd favorite, coxinha has evolved to include a wide array of delicious fillings. Cheese lovers rejoice. Queijo coxinha is filled with gooey cheese, creating a heavenly experience for your taste buds. For seafood enthusiasts, there's camarão coxinha, brimming with succulent shrimp and a burst of oceanic flavors. One of the most endearing aspects of coxinha is its unique shape, resembling a chicken drumstick. But crafting this shape requires skill and finesse. Traditionally, coxinhas are shaped by hand, which can be quite challenging, as the dough tends to be sticky. Expert coxinha makers have mastered the technique, creating beautifully shaped snacks. Fun fact: coxinhas come in various sizes, ranging from bite-sized appetizers to jumbo versions, perfect for hearty appetites. Another key to a perfect coxinha lies in its crispy coating. The most common way to coat coxinhas is by dipping them in beaten eggs and then rolling them in breadcrumbs before deep frying until golden brown. For a healthier twist, some prefer baking coxinhas in the oven, achieving a satisfying crispness without excessive oil. Different regions add their unique touches to this beloved treat. Coxinha's fame has transcended borders, captivating the taste buds of people worldwide. In recent years, coxinha has become a popular street food item in various countries, from food trucks in the United States to restaurants in Japan. Coxinha's journey through time and across continents has resulted in exciting fusions and new taste experiences. There you have it, the intriguing story of Coxinha, from its humble beginnings to becoming an international sensation. Whether you savor the classic chicken filling or explore the creative variants, one thing is certain: Coxinha is a culinary delight that brings joy to food enthusiasts worldwide. We hope you enjoyed this delicious journey through the world of Coxinha. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which Coxinha filling you'd love to try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!